Do you want to hear a funny story that will make you cry? No one, no one at all has celebrated Christmas in years, and there's a good reason for that. And no, it's not only because of the zombies. After all, humanity has proven time and time again that we're more than capable of destroying ourselves without any outside help. Santa has been bunkered up for a while because he knew he was a target, and he should never fall into the hands of any mortal. But he just couldn't resist little Sam Pinkleton's letter this year.
Dear Santa, Mom said you don't exist, but I read all about you. I know it's true that you took all kinds of presents to the children before the monsters came. You lived all the way in the North Pole, so I don't know how far that is, because now we live in a secret place too where the monsters can't get us. I showed pictures of you to the other children, and we even made a list of things we would like if it's not too much trouble. Mikey wants a can opener because his dad hurt his thumbs opening the last one they found. John wants an optic scope so we can take the old one from his dad's gun, and then we can go watch the bunnies from the top of the tower where it's safe. I don't have a daddy because he went to fight off the bad monsters. I miss him, but Mom says he is keeping us safe every day and night. If you can find him, I would really like if you can bring him back, and also a teddy bear to cuddle. I let Mom borrow mine to store her bandages inside. I'm going to give this note to Mr. Roger, who will go out on patrol so he can post it to the North Pole. I love you, Santa, and I want you to know that all the children here know you are real, and I would love to see you this Christmas. Love, Sam.
If only he hadn't read the letter, or acted upon it at least. We wouldn't be in this damn situation. But out he ventured. Thousands of parcels, including medical supplies, weapons, food, and toys, ready to be delivered again after years to the remaining survivors scattered across our servers. Yes, out he ventured. Santa Claus, Father Christmas, Saint Nick, General Nick Santos, whatever you want to call him, the most powerful man on planet Earth, capable of spawning any object and traversing thousands of kilometers in a matter of hours. So of course they waited for him. Those fucking AIs shot him straight out of the sky, scattering his parcels all over the world. His fate, unknown. Christmas, lost again before even recovered. Unless... no. It's dangerous to even think about it. But if we first collect as many gifts and lost parcels as we can and drop them in the barrel just under the Christmas trees, and then if we have enough, then maybe, just maybe together, we can take on the most dangerous Christmas mission ever known to man.
Right, everyone gather around. My name is Sergeant Tom Pickleton, and I'm from the Livonia server. By the power of mod, I'm amongst you today for this important mission. I know most of you just arrived, but I've been fighting in here for the past couple of weeks, and it's crazy. Forget everything you knew in your servers. Shit's about to get real. Now, as you may know, Santa has disappeared about 3 weeks ago after his sleigh was shot down by the Association of Immune, the AIs. And, you know, everyone's come together to collect the missing gifts, and they were shipped here so that we can assist in making the Christmas run. 4 days ago, we lost contact with the recovery team here in the south that was in charge of moving the delivery trucks. And we also know some of the recovered packages have gone missing again. Also, my squad in the north has not found Santa Claus. And that's all I know, boys and girls. I came down here to rendezvous with you after being informed that a second recovery team has arrived. You are that recovery team. Now, I only have 4 pieces of advice for you before I have to head back north and meet up with my squad. Number 1, stay together. Our mission will surely fail if you do not work as a team. We've lost many good soldiers and people to this conflict. It is in everyone's best interest to survive. Number 2, if you come across any intel, do not keep it to yourself. Read it out loud. It's a team effort. Everyone must be made aware of any and all news. Number 3, obviously humans are not your enemy. I can confirm none of us here are infected. Do not intentionally harm any people that you come across. Everyone's out here doing their best to survive or support the resistance. Number 4, I want you to keep to the roads. They're dedicated towards the mission. I've seen spots that are booby-trapped. There's mines, so keep to the roads. There are no shortcuts to success. Falling off the path will lead to a very time-consuming detour to return to the path. Just stick to the checkpoints. We don't have enough time, everyone. Now, good luck. I wish I could join you, but I do need to get back to the north and find my team. Good luck, soldiers. We're counting on each and every one of you.
Okay, so we've got some cars. This one's missing a wheel, but I think there might be one in the back. But there's 4 of us who could take 2 of the vehicles. So we've got to look for the presents, apparently, that he said that were obviously fell out of Santa's sleigh before he got knocked down. So we could start by doing that maybe and look for clues to see what we can work out. Oh, look, what's this on the floor?
A note.
Do you want me to read it?
Yeah, go for it.
It says, Sir,
Sir, Sergeant Bernard Owley reporting here. The intel was correct. The 3 trucks with the recovered gifts are by the port. However, one has sustained heavy damage and some parcels have been taken. There is no sign of Santa or any of the anonymous immune AI mercenaries. However, Tom Pinkleton reported over the radio that there is increased activity at the airfield and also reports of imposter or infected Santas that are attacking our soldiers. I don't know what to make of that, but right now we need to focus on fixing this truck and the other one there and then getting to the airfield. I remember there is a crazy mechanic that lives nearby in the east with his pet pig Wilbur. Maybe he can help. I don't know how far this baby can drive with 2 ruined wheels, but I think I can make it. Please send backup so we can then drive the 3 trucks to the airfield and recover the other lost gifts. I hear movement! Infected! I need to run to get cover! I'm leaving this note here just in case!
Well, what seems to be the issue? You got a little something going on with your vehicles here?
we're wondering if you have any spare ones or you've seen any laying around.
Well, it just so happens I have all the tools and all the tires I need to repair your vehicle. However,
Ooh,
I need you to go deal with my poor sweet boy Wilbur. Now, just as y'all arrived, he ate my shop keys and ran away. Now, my sweet Wilburs, they ran back to their precious pen. See this road right here? To the right, there is a pig pen. Now, I want 2 of you, just 2, to go down there and put my sweet, sweet Wilbur out of his misery and get me my shop key. If you can do that, I can get your trucks back up and running. You have to go get Wilbur, okay? You just gonna have to go take care of him and get my key, alright? Now, whichever 2 are gonna go do that, go ahead. Now, the other 2 of you, I need you to get me a shop light set up right over here in my shop. Now, you see,
okay.
I might end up having to pull in your truck to my shop here. So I need a light. Now, the components for the light, there's going to probably be some in this building over here, in the little garage back over here, and there's a little police station. The pigs, they just love scattering my stuff everywhere, I swear. So now you just go on back there and find for my parts and get me a light set up, and as soon as they get back with a key, I'll get you all squared away. Alright now?
Sounds good.
Okay, that sounds great. Thank you.
Yeah.
Who else wants to go and kill, help Wilbur with the key situation?
Be sweet to my boy. Just be sweet. My poor boy. Uh-huh.
Okay,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
good luck.
You too.
Okay, so we have to
Good
go
luck,
to the
everybody.
police station. Do you know where that is?
My sweet Wilbur.
Thank you.
My sweet Wilbur. My sweet Wilbur. My sweet Wilbur. Anyway, did I tell y'all the last time that I forgot to work with a light? I'm mistaking my poor Wilbur for Berta, my wife. She was so mad at me, I slept in the pig pen for days.
A spark plug, nice, okay. And I did find a coil light thing before the other thing, which I don't know part of it. Okay, and there might
Don't
be more
forget
in
this
these
shop
sheds.
over here now.
World play. I'm here, please.
Lost forever.
Oh, a generator, okay, perfect. Yeah, we need a power generator, Alright, so if we put that, where did we want the lights? In this workshop here.
Just as long as I can see in my shop. Yep, that'll
Okay.
do.
And you had a spark plug, didn't you?
Oh, they brutally and mercilessly killed my Wilbur. He deserved it, but I love him. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
How old was your pig?
Well, Wilbur? Now Wilbur's
Yep.
were 3 old.
3 years?
Were you able to find the key?
What key?
Oh. Help him find the key or the light? Huh?
I got a key.
Yeah.
That's
Did
your
you
keys.
did you take care of my little Wilbur?
He didn't
Oh,
suffer.
excellent, excellent, excellent. Now, while I get my shop open, what I want you two boys to go do is go back there and get as many of the steaks, as many of the pelts as you can carry, and I'll fashion you a little bit of extra warm clothing and get you some food ready for your journey, okay?
Sounds good.
Okay.
Alright,
That's good.
thank you. Wilbur! My poor Wilbur! Oh,
Yeah, it won't let me deploy it.
I'm glad he's dead. Woman giving me restrictions again. Give me just a moment.
Yeah.
Excellent, excellent. Alright, did
Okay,
you guys
I got
get
your
some of the
food.
parts from Wilbur's?
Indeed, we did.
Let's see.
That's the last two.
Amazing. Awesome. Okay. Give me just a moment and let me get this shop open. Let's see. Excellent. Perfect. Now, that my shop is unlocked, I want you guys to take this. Never know when the key might come in handy later on down the road. I'm going to make sure I take my lock off this tent. Be sure to take it with you now, okay? Let's see.
Okay.
Go. Let's just a little bit. And finished. Perfect. Now you all take one of these. as a memento of my sweet Wilbur. May he keep you warm on your journey. Now, let me get y'all a little cozy fire going. So you'll have a snack for now. Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for being so kind to my Wilbur. Now, let me get this started over here. Let's see. Missing a tie.
Guys, we have food.
Got a blown tire here. Oh, yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go, Puff. Let's see. Oh, perfect. Yeah. Perfect. There we go. That's everything. Then y'all take very good care on your journey now. Then Mod protects you, and you watch out for those pesky association of the Immune. They're everywhere. They're watching. They're all watching. They won my Wilburs! Not my pigs! Not
There's
my
another
pigs!
piece of snacks there too.
Butter may have left you a glow stick. My pigs! Not
Oh my!
Thanks for helping me recover Wilbur 13. He was delicious. Now look forward to raising and loving my new sweet little boy, Wilbur 14. Fixing your truck and feeding ya was the least I could do. I hear you're going to the airfield like that other crazy patrol before you to try and find them remaining lost gifts and Santa. Be careful though. There's been some crazy talk about fake Santas and elves falling from the skies, plus them AIs too. And then people say I'm crazy. Before you go to the airfield, you should follow the road north of Elektrozavatsk, where you find them trucks. Look for my friend Bob Bang at the military checkpoint if he's still there. Sometimes he does blood runs from the nearby hospital. He will surely hook you up with some nice gear and weapons. His name is Bang after all.
Okay, Bob, he done went on ahead. Okay, he left all these blood bags in here for y'all to take care of. And I have mechanicking and Wilbur related business to attend to. But, however, the awesome tools in here for your journey. So come on in here. Come on, get right in here. Now get you all supplied up on whatever you need out of that barrel, and you got to take all of that blood, okay? Take every last drop, and you're gonna take it to the hospital. Bob was supposed to do that, but Bob's an asshole, isn't he? This fella out here ought to know. This is Jim Bang, Bob's brother, and he's definitely not an asshole. Ain't that right, Jim?
No, I don't think I'm an asshole.
Uh, uh, uh. What the ma? What the ma?
You doing okay? You feeling a little sick, aren't you?
Oh, no, I'm not sick, but
the
it's
Wilburs.
I don't know. Maybe it's
It's the
white
Wilburs.
poison or
It's the
something.
Wilburs. The Wilburs.
Oh no.
Take the blood. Go to the hospital. The Wilburs.
Resistance memo, 10 December 23. Bob Bang. It is true, he's alive. The AIs have Santa, but we do not know where. The airfield is heavily fortified with AIs and the remaining gifts are there. I am getting reports of multiple casualties and many injured. I need to head to the airfield to provide backup to the few remaining soldiers. If you see this, please take the blood bank to the medical center. Follow the road north from here. It is a matter of life or death. I took all of the heavy weapons, but there's some pistols here you can use. Corporal Bob Bang.
I hear something.
I'll
Oh,
never
we
forget
have
what
someone
blood type I am.
I hear a vehicle.
My son
Maybe
and
that's
I,
him.
here.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
We bring blood.
Hello, hello.
You're not Bob. Where's Bob?
Bob
we're
couldn't
Bob's
make it.
friends. We're putting the blood in the paramedic bag for you. There's some
Great.
here. I don't know what kind it is, but you're a doctor, so you can test it. But we got it from Bob. He does apologize,
Oh.
but he had another mission to do. So, yeah, unfortunately,
Oh shit!
he,
Oh shit! I think he's bad. You're bad. Medic, make it. Do something. Do something.
Uh-oh.
I don't know if we're meant to give him the blood. Are you giving him
Can you
blood?
guys give room? Everybody step outside. I'm gonna need everybody to step outside, please.
Oh, I think there's a ghost.
Are you guys okay in there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh yeah, there's 4 in this one.
ah, you running back.
All right, you can come in now.
Oh my god.
You can come in now.
Is he okay?
Oh, I'm okay.
I think he's.
I just
think
need
he'll
to
make
thank
it.
you guys. Thank you. Did everyone make it? Guys,
Yep,
There's-
so far.
there's a raging battle at the airfield where the remaining gifts are located, but there's no survivors. We're all dead. The damn AIs are there, the whole squad's gone. But we need the remaining gifts. I want to come with you, but we need to be armed well. There's some crazy shit happening. I thought we found Santa at a sleigh crash, but we were attacked. And that thing was not Santa. Beware of imposter. Thanks for the blood. I thought I was a goner like Pastor Williams who died last night.
Pastor
Did
Williams
you know
is such
Pastor
a good man.
Williams? Yeah.
He helped so many people during the battle by giving them supplies collected at his church nearby. Miraculous things are known to happen there. Well, it seems I no longer have any more survivals to attend to. Please, help yourself to anything in this barrel. You deserve it.
Brochure of the Church of Mod. Thanks to your kind donations, we now have enough supplies to fuel the resistance against the Association of Immune and also help the remaining survivors. Through the grace of Mod, may we all prevail and rebuild humanity again. Anyone in need of salvation and hope, stop by by the church, north of the medical center. Pastor Williams.
Get your melee weapons out, ready for attacking. Is everyone okay? Boom trucks here.
Dad,
Oh,
Hmm.
can you hear me?
Of course.
But Dad, I thought snowmen can't talk.
And the den are meant to walk, son, but these are strange times.
Who are these people walking in the church?
More sons and daughters of Adam and Eve.
Can they hear us?
Don't talk to them.
Why?
They could be the people that took Santa.
I mean, the people that tied him up and took his blood to make new bad sand.
Eat your carrot.
I don't like carrots.
Why?
Whenever I eat one, I lose my sense of smell.
Just
Okay. Oh, they have puppies. Must be good people. Can you hear me? They're good people. Please find the lost kid. Santa before they take all his blood.
Okay, everyone, just gear up and then we'll head to the airfield.
Okay,
yes,
when
sir.
you're ready, get back into the cars. And it all looked like you guys, so I was like, uh-oh.
We have disabled the armored convoy of gifts that the Resistance was transferring to survivor bunkers. We have also secured a number of parcels at the airfield containing technology that the traitor Santa Claus was attempting to smuggle to them. The subject Santa Claus is not responding to interrogation. We have extracted an additional vial of blood, but our sixth batch of clones still presents signs of infection and non-responsiveness to commands, leading to rogue behavior and crashing the military sleighs across servers. There is no indication that a controllable Santa soldier can be developed, nor any positive signs of obtaining the object-spawning technology of the Church of Mods. However, we are transferring the hostage to his own village in order to try and obtain additional clues and DNA for further experimentation. We have barricaded entry to his village in North Cole since the human resistance is growing. Entry only through the garage via passcode 1225.
1225.
Need to remember that
Yeah,
code.
that's a passcode.
Wait, so they have Santa? They're cloning him? That's
Yeah,
what those damn...
it-
Oh shit.
Yeah, they have Santa, and they've taken out they're extracting blood from him to try and work out some information about it. Alright, fill the missing presents.
Clear.
Clear.
Other door.
Ready?
Breach.
Breaching. Zombies.
Be careful. Could be.
Two down.
Good job. Opening.
I will open. Ready? Okay.
Zombies. Two down.
Yep.
Opening.
Dead. One more. Clear.
Ready?
Opening. I see a door and one zombie. Zombie dead.
Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
Last
Are you there?
I hear a
Big
I heard him.
voice.
I think he's up here. Yeah, here he is, here he is.
Hands.
Oh, hang on, wait. Before we release you... Oh. Could you please
They
tell
took
us?
Timmy the elf. He was in the other cage. I smelled
Okay,
roasting
just-
meat.
I mean, at the moment there's been some quite impersonation centers. To clarify, if you are the real one, if you answer a simple question, please name 3 of your 12 reindeer.
Donner, Vixen, and Blitzen. And Rudolph.
It is him!
It's him. It is him.
It is
boss.
him! Okay, Santa.
Ho ho ho! And so it ends. Or should I say, so it begins. I've been watching you girls and boys. Naughty at first, then so good running around the world trying to save what's left of Christmas. Been watching you closer than you think. In Livonia, in the mosque, Ypres, Cherno, Deer Isle, at the mechanic, at the hospital, at the church, and Swirly killing every one of the AI at the airfield. You're rather brave, aren't you? And badass. There's more than some good left in mankind. Thanks to you, I can now deliver the gifts to the bunkers and the hamlets, and hopefully the Association of the Immune will leave us alone. The AIs have tried to replicate my coding and DNA, but thankfully you stopped them before they could completely decode the mod technology that allows the Ascended to create items and travel. Therefore, they continue to loot and steal and destroy to survive. They will continue to be tied by the invisible chains of the mod around their birth bonds, but things can change, so beware. I am not of this world, and therefore they cannot fully achieve their dark mission yet. But beware, because you are of this world, and one day they will come for you directly. It may be sooner than you think, perhaps in the next event. Ho ho ho. Anyway, cryptic messages aside, For it's Christmas, and you have earned a very special prize. So whisper in my ear, which is on Discord, what you want, and it will be delivered in your server, as long as it's not something that's gonna like totally unbalance the universe or anything. Like a railgun.
Good job, everyone.
We know.
Yep,
Can
well
we know
done.
that?
You saved Christmas.
The best team I have.
I think you guys kind of messed up my sleigh though.